Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Damn, Nugget, you really saw a stream at an inconvenient time. I gotta go. Alright, Boj, it's all good. You don't have to be in the stream. I know I am streaming at literally the worst times, but I do not have another choice. Because school, yay. Unless it's the weekend, I do have more choices if it's the weekend. Now, this is really weird, but for some reason my OBS wouldn't start streaming for like half an hour. That's why I'm starting even later than usual, until I somehow got it working. I literally don't even know what I did to fix it. OBS was like, just nah, we can't create, and then it would create the stream but it would not like play it. And there were a bunch of like streams on my channel. I hope you guys didn't get like 20 messages that I started streaming. But yeah, it works now, and that's what matters. I have no idea though. Yeah, hello Francis, hello the poll. At 12 AM like always. Wow, yeah. Well, the next fish game stream is gonna be, I think, on a Sunday, so I'll definitely be streaming more early. So it's gonna be better for literally everyone. But yeah, these kind of streams, they're just here to make progress. So it doesn't really matter what time I really stream at, but I do wanna try to stream at the best time if possible. Okay. I'll get my chat here. It took me a while to prepare, but yeah. If you guys didn't see the last stream, we did make the clownfish ability. It kind of works, like we still have a lot of things to do for it. I have like a redesign idea how I want to remake it a little bit to look just a bit better. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Now I'm closing pages that I don't need since it took me a little bit to prepare. All right, got it. So let me switch to this, and yeah, the game shows up. There's like this little fly that has been flying around my room for like over an hour now. I really hate it. It's very annoying. But yeah, it might just even show up on the stream, honestly, that it's flying around me. That'd be kind of funny. But yeah, let me go ahead and get a clownfish so I can show the ability. Right now, every single fish does the ability. Oh my, it's still flying around me. I think it's gonna annoy me so much today. So yeah, if it collects 2 times, it's gonna spawn its ability, which will make some orange coral. It collected once, and then it collected for the second time, and it spawns this little token thing. We're gonna change that out, but right now it's just like this token thing, and if I collect it, it turns seagrass in a plus 2 orange corals. Just a simple ability. Right now it literally does not do anything because it collects as if a normal seagrass, but we are gonna change that today. So I also wanna kind of remake how the inventory functions, since right now there's only seagrass. I want to make that into a module so I can add inventory items easier. So yeah, that's something I'll want to try and do, probably to start off, even since we're gonna want to add the coral item to here. So to start off, I'll probably open up my scripts that I'm gonna be using. So one of them is changed UI. I'm gonna keep fish info. We don't need fish stuff. Fish module also don't need wild fish. Yeah, we don't need all fish stuff right now, since yeah, I'll keep the tool value, since I like to have all the value modules open. And then we don't need these two. So we're gonna be, I have an idea on how I kind of wanna remake the GUI 2 a little bit for the inventory. So yeah, if we go ahead and find our current GUI, if we go to inventory canvas group, make this not just bad. Good morning. Hello, Ziv. It's morning for you. It's kind of more in the evening side for me already. So okay, why is this so blurry? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's very, very blurry for me. I think there's like a way to fix it. It might just be my studio. I think I had to restart my studio. 1 second, I'll restart my studio. I don't want it to be blurry. I agree, you should overhaul. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's morning for me too. 12 a.m. Oh. Same here, but I always say good morning. Okay. Wait, it's still blurry. Wait, it's still blurry, huh? I guess it's just meant to be blurry, because it's not blurry in game, right? Yeah, it's not blurry in game. It's only blurry here. Oh, now it's good. I just had to start it once. Okay. Now it's great. Oh, it's blurry again now that I selected it. Wait, what? Okay, I'm just gonna deal with the blurriness for now. Yeah, literally, it looks so weird. It's the canvas group. Yeah, that's like the one downside of canvas group, since it makes it into an image. That's why it's blurry. Alright, well, let me go ahead and go to the inventory page. So instead of doing this, I kind of want to do like 2 lines, kind of like boxes like that more, to kind of be more like with the index. Yeah, so we can shorten this. I can also start using anchor points, since that would be smart. Way less counting and math that needs to be done. So like 0.475 is enough for that. And then for this, it's like 0.95 that we want to do. And then here we want to put it at 0.5. No, not 0.5, 0.25. And then this we can do 0.5. So that puts it at a good spot. And now for this, I can copy the size at least, and then make the anchor point also a bit better. I mean, this should be like this and just 75 here. Yeah, that's pretty decent. Now I gotta do the names. Okay, the names might not be too okay. For the names, if I go here and if I just can also do anchor points for these to make it also simpler. So the size can be, don't know, probably like just 9.5 maybe. And then of course we're gonna want it to be way smaller on here. And we can align it 0.5 to be in the middle. And then honestly, I don't want the anchor point to be on that, so we can move that anchor point. And then just position it like that. Alright, that's great. And then just copy all the values for the storage text. I might also just make this smaller, because we're always gonna have less things in the backpack than the storage. Like, give me an idea for a shrimple game. A tycoon. Tycoons are pretty easy to make. But not sure if you like tycoons, so yeah. Alright, that's great. And now I can change these things. Yeah, these needs changing. So I should be able to do size. I mean 9.75 and then this can be like 7.5, no more, 9. We'll see. I mean, make it go a little bit more down. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now I need to make size smaller. Okay, that's pretty great. Now just copy that over to this. Wait, no, that's the wrong thing. Now 0.5 anchor point. And let me see how the backpack looks. Yeah, that looks pretty decent, I'd say. And then if we collect something, the item appears as that. Yeah, I still need to change that too. I mean, we're not gonna have this much. Hey, can you please fix the dark green border on the oxygen meter? The top and bottom bit are thicker than the sides. Oh, what do you mean? Okay, now can you please make the dark green border? Oh, this. Yeah, sure. I should be able to do that. So on the oxygen, this holding frame, if I just make anchor point 0.5, 0.5 and position 0.5, 0.5, that makes it into the middle. But then it needs, I think, to be a bit more taller now. Is this tallness? Yeah, that is tallness. Is this better? You should make E open the inventory. Maybe, yeah. I mean, I can add that a lot later when polishing things up. like adding keybinds. That's like more of a polishing thing. All right, now if I go to, yeah, thank you, it's so much better. All right. Inventory, canvas group. Then we do backpack list frame. Yeah, backpack seagrass frame. We do this here. So this will be just, instead of backpack seagrass frame, this will be item copy frame. Yeah. Wait. Inventory item copy frame. There's the same issue with the seagrass, but it's on the top and bottom. Oh yeah, I do see that. I'll fix that after I get this GUI thing done. Inventory item copy frame. Yeah, that's good. I like my naming to be good. Inventory item button. Inventory item text. Right, and then I need to align it better. So to align it better, I think I just need to make this a bit smaller on the sides. Yeah, I think I need to change that to 0.5. Same thing with this. Change this into, no, not this into 0.5. This into 0.5. So now that aligns well. And then in here we can delete this one since we don't need it anymore. And then this one we can, in replicated storage, copy GUI. Put this into copy GUI. And make it visible to false. Right now we have drag inventory frame, fish info holder. And then value inventory frame. Okay. So that seagrass text. Let me do this. Right. I love using anchor points now that I actually learned what they are, and they're very useful. Don't know how I didn't know this existed before. Right, and then I have to put this at 0.5 and this at 0.5, and then we just need to align it better. That means the top is this. Yeah, I need to make that smaller. Okay, I feel like it's a bit too big. I like the text having a bit bigger, but I guess I should keep it like this since it's the same size of the outlines. Yeah, I guess. If we press play right now, stuff is gonna start erroring. But yeah, I feel like the inventory like this kind of looks okay. Now we can get to the coding part of the inventory. So for the coding part, we have changed GUI here. This is where we currently do this, I think. Yeah, inventory page. Yeah, this is open, and then these are the two things for the inventory. So I want to actually comment stuff. Inventory. No. This will be tool frame, and then we can name this inventory frame, and then we have fish index frame down here somewhere. Yeah, this is fish info. Fish info frame. Just so we know a bit better. Hello, Leo. Welcome to the stream. Guys, I think the fly is gone. I haven't seen it for like 10 minutes now. Well, hopefully it's gone. Hopefully it left me alone. Alright, and let me actually also get the copy frame. Local inventory item copy frame equals replace copy GUI diner copy frame. What are you doing? I'm changing up the inventory to make it into a module, and then I'll add the orange coral to that. So we need a new module to start off, because we currently have, how many modules do we already have? We have a bunch of modules, but for like info modules, we have one for equipment, we have one for fish, and then we have one for tool value mod. So I'll make a new one for just items. Module script, I'll name this item module, item info module, I guess. I'll rename these to item info module. Alright. And then I can make this here. We can start making the first item, which is probably just do this. 1 equals another table, in index equals 1. If we do end up needing the index, probably will. And then name equals to seagrass. And then we also need to do values, assign it values. So our values are in here. And we have in the player stats. It's also gonna be in okay, backpack value equals to collected seagrass. Collected seagrass. And put that in these. And then we have just item value. Item value, and it's going to be just seagrass. So for item values, we're gonna look in the player stats, and for backpack values, we're gonna look in the no save player stats. So that's one item, and now let's make the orange coral item, which I guess we'll just make 2. Orange coral. And then I'll make new values, collected orange coral. And then new value here. Orange coral, collected orange coral. All right, and that's everything with the module we need for now, at least. So let's get working on this. Let's first of all require the module so we can use it. And item info module. All right, now that we have it named, we can honestly start coding. So all this code we're not gonna need anymore. This is the old code. Thumbnail looks aged. What do you mean? What do you mean that the thumbnail looks aged? It looks fine. Day 1, day 43. What do you mean by aged? Exactly. So for item stats, item info, in pairs, item info module. The link is sent in your server. Oh yeah, I don't know why that's there like that. Literally no clue. I mean, I can... Yeah, I can't change it. Yeah, no, it's also for me like that too. It's like my banner. I think it's all because I was messing with like all the OBS stuff. It was breaking for me. I don't know. So we go through all that. And then item info dot. Now we basically just need to do all of this. All right, and then local backpack value equals player dot player. We're gonna want to go and play stats. Do I wait for these values? Yeah, I do wait for them. I don't know if it's just showing for... Yeah. Are you planning to stream in the weekend? Yes. The other times, 1, I was sick, or 2, my legs were hurting and I couldn't do a VR stream. And or I was just editing videos. But now I'm not really working on any videos, so I'm just streaming mostly. Like a 4-hour development stream. Yeah, probably on Sunday. On Saturday, I want to finish up the FNAF VR game. And then item info dot item value. No, backpack value. Then we go no save. And then we go for inventory value. Just item value maybe. All right, now we have those 2 values. So now we can do... Now we can start cloning stuff. So... to clone this inventory item configuration, local new new. Okay, well, I need to open this here to see the naming of things. New inventory item frame, new inventory item frame. Hopefully I don't have anything named like that already. Inventory preframe dot clone, then new inventory item frame. We want to parent this to inventory frame dot inventory page holder dot backpack list frame. No, this is for the backpack. And then we parent this to here. And then we also want to do the same with the backpack. All right. And change this. And then we need to do local function changed. We do this, and then whenever, let's say the item value dot changed connect changed. No, but we want to do inventory item changed, and then we connect inventory item changed. And then we have another one for backpack item changed. Hopefully music isn't too loud. I always worry about that. It usually is a bit loud though, so I might just lower it. Alright. Now that that is there, now we can do all of this, basically just copy and change value. So if item value is above 1, then we make this visible. But if not, then we don't make it visible. Don't. Okay. Inventory item text. All right. Now that is done. Now just copy this and paste it here and change the values. And then that's gonna be it, pretty much. And oh yeah, also changed this. Also gonna go here and just go to copy GUI and then rename inventory and rename this from item inventory item text, so to item amount text, and then this maybe to rather just item copy frame, this to item button. Just makes it a bit more simple, I feel like. Alright, and then do the same for where we set this. And we want to make it do this value. Alright, and that should in theory work. We can now delete this older code since we do not need it anymore. Alright, and if we go ahead and hit play, and if we get some seagrass, it appears here. And then should be the same for storage. Alright, and now if I give myself some coral too, that will also show up. Oh, I also need to change the image. Right. Not player tools here. Orange coral. Oh wait, that isn't orange coral won't be like an item in the storage. Ah, right, I kind of forgot what I meant to do. But yeah, we can first of all just add a image thing. Image equals this. Image equals this. So we can get the seagrass image by going to item copy frame and getting this image from here. And the orange coral image I have here. Alright, and now we also just need to set the image whenever we create it. So right here, item button dot image equals to, I'm gonna want to get this dot item info dot image, and then do the same for this. So I'm also gonna here add a value to storable probably, or like yeah, because like how the orange coral is gonna work, whenever you collect the orange coral, it's gonna be worth 5 seagrass. So whenever you turn it into seagrass, you're gonna get 5 seagrass, but not the orange coral item. So to do that, I don't need a orange coral value thing. So I think I'm gonna do I'm just gonna remove the item value from here, and then I'll do if item value exists. If item value, then we do everything here. And then the same for backpack value. If backpack value, then we do this. All right, and then we don't need these lines here. So I can also remove that value that I made that we're not going to need to use in player stats orange coral. So now it shouldn't error. Oh, it does error because string expected got nil. Okay, so need to make it so it's like it only gets the item here, but it checks if item info dot item value. Then I'm back. Welcome back, Ziv. If I put that here, item info dot backpack value. Now no errors. Yes, no errors. So if that value exists, it is gonna create the backpack or storage thing. And my big idea to the game Which one? You have a bunch. And now we have 3 seagrass in here. We go here, it turns into storage. Okay, that's great. So that's pretty much the backpack module. Now we gotta do all the technical stuff where we have like collection types, the stage. I feel like that doesn't fit the game very much. I don't know, like having some kind of stage, I feel like it's way too niche, if you know what I mean. But no, it's legit perfect, but nobody bothered to read it explicitly. Yeah, it's like, I don't know what to really say, like, not really something that you'd expect to be added to the game. I mean, yeah, it works functionally, but it sounds more like if you know what I mean, like a concert where like Roblox adds a concert, or like an event, right? Sounds more like an event. I mean, it could be added. I just right now I'm not even making big guy updates, but I'm just saying that probably your idea, a whole new area right now, probably not the thing we would add. But yeah, the next big guy update is probably not gonna be there until Halloween, which I guess we'll make the Halloween event, then make it an event. I don't care if it's permanent or not. Well, we're not really working on the game, you know. But we will get back for Halloween, like a small event update. Maybe we'll make in a couple days. TT has started doing his own things, and I started doing my own things more. So like fish game I have going on, which I want to focus as much time as I can because this is a very cool game. And there are a lot of reasons why I personally kinda am stepping away from the development a bit more and more. I want to make ideas for this game, but I don't know enough about it to make ideas for it. Well, just watching the recaps is enough to understand about the game. Okay, now I need to make a thing where we have like a type value. So this is if it's collectible. Sad how only you only have one viewer. Oh, good luck, my friend. Thank you. It's mostly because I'm streaming at a really terrible time. Like if it was the weekend and I was streaming a bit more earlier and I didn't have school, I would probably get up to like 5 viewers, but it's not something I really care about too much. I'm just working on the game, having fun. Alright, so if we open a seagrass type, so if it's gonna have the seagrass type, this is gonna be normal seagrass. And here this will be orange coral. And then seagrass worth is equals to 5 this. And then seagrass worth here will be 1 because it's normal seagrass. Basically this will make it so, let's say the seagrass, oh, I should probably make this go away from your screen right now. Alright. So let's say the seagrass type is like normal seagrass. Then it's gonna give 1 seagrass. Then if it's orange coral, it's gonna give you 5 seagrass. So I feel like it should be pretty simple to make, I think. Okay. That selling value is only gonna be used for when storing up here. Let's say. Right now, I do have to make sure the seagrass. When we collect the seagrass, we get the orange coral value. Hi guys. Hello, Irem. Welcome to the stream. So, if we go to the collection, now we gotta head to collection. Where is my collection? So collect seagrass, right? And then I need to find the place where I add. It was an accident. Please don't flare me. All right. Well, I need to head here. Collected seagrass. So instead, I'm also gonna have to check this here a bit differently. So to check this from here, I'm gonna create a new local function, get current player storage, get current player backpack. No, storage. I don't know. Yeah, storage works. Or just yeah, get current player storage. I've recently got addicted to a game called Fortune Fighter. It's very fun game, luck and skill based. What is it about? Now let me get the new module that we have up here. Item info module. And then in here we gotta go through all the items. For item info in pairs, item info module, do, and then local players. Backpack storage. Yeah, but we should call it backpack storage. Backpack storage. No, because it's then backpack storage as in max storage. How do I make it the current storage? Current. Name it current storage. I'll name it current storage. Just player current storage. Yes, player current storage. Current storage equals 0. And then for we go through all these items, and then if item info dot backpack value, then we go here and we grab this here, which gets the backpack value. We got player. We also need to give it the player. Okay, it's about fighting people, then using money to buy a card pack. Get a random card each round. You have a choice of 6 cards. First round you pick 3, rest you pick 2. If you win a round, your enemy gets 2 more cards. If you lose, you get 2. I think it's very underrated. It's kind of like a mix of Bed Wars, Blade Ball, Souls, RNG, any fighting game. Okay, sounds interesting. Is it like popular on Roblox? I think I wrote an essay. It's fine. So current storage plus equals backpack value dot value. All right, now this gets the current player storage, so we can change this out for this to see if the player is full. And then this we need to change out. Do you know VFX? Like in I don't know what VFX stands for, but I know it's like particles, right? Wait, let me just look it up. What does VFX stand for? Visual effects, right? Yeah, it's just particles. Yeah, VFX. I know. Yeah, it has 1.1k players. I did a hidden gem though. Oh, I heard about that. Didn't play though. All right, might check it out. And now here we need to go. Here we also need to go through 4i. Item stats in pairs. Item info module. No, item info. Item info. Do. Then where do I get the seagrass type? So I should be able to get the type. I should be able to just do seagrass folder to collect, get attribute. Then I say type dot top seagrass piece, and then we close the brackets. This gets the type. So if item info dot seagrass type, then oh, that grind, yeah. Like what Souls RNG is about. Auras, you work with attachments, motor 60s, and a bunch of particle emitters, and sometimes flip books. I have actually made a Souls RNG game. It's called Nuggets RNG. So yes, I do know about attachments, motor 60s, and particle emitters. So you can check that game out, even though I'm probably not gonna update it anymore. It has some pretty cool auras though that I made. So yeah. Now I'm playing Deep Vulcan right now. Bought it this weekend. Is it fun? I don't know. I'm just not willing to pay the Robux for it, since I'm gonna end up not playing the game. So I don't want to just waste money. But I have heard of Deep Vulcan. And then if this type, then we wanna if this type equals to this seagrass type, then we can put this in front here. Then we want to do item info dot backpack value. Then we gotta do player dot no save player stats. And then we do this bracket dot value plus equal 1. That's all the code. I mean, it's kind of fun. I'm not that much of an expert in it, but if you think it's not fun because of the permafact feature, like I used to, then just buy it because it's still very fun. Has a lot of replayability. I'm actually a pretty big fan of the permadeath thing, since I've played a bunch of roguelikes and I do own a lot of the popular roguelikes. I remember making them in my class and then looking really crappy. He def knows about particles. Every single aura ends with particle, bro. Common particle and common particle and rare particle, you get it, yeah. A lot of people are dragged away from it because of the permadeath feature. It reminds of that game. Can't remember the name. What game? What is it about? So yeah, if we hit play, hopefully we get no errors. And then we gotta get just one. Let me get a good tool, honestly. And then if we go claim, compared to number, huh? Where? This. Oh, because I didn't return it. Return current storage. Right, I forgot to return. Now it's gonna work. Let me just grab a golden scoop. Golden scoops. Since that's gonna be pretty good. I wanna get clownfish. Give me clownfish. Right now, still every single fish does the ability, so I still need to do that. Okay, let's see if at least the collection works. In theory, it should. But honestly, I don't know at this point. Is it gonna work? Is it not gonna work? I don't know. Oh my god, clownfish. Come here. You're so slow. What speed are you at? 3 speed. Okay, that's not too slow. It's middle speed. But it still feels so slow. Okay, that's 1 collection and then he needs 1 more. Wow, you're really gonna spawn the ability at this corner? Okay. That cuts it out. Okay, so I drowned. All right, that set my values back to 0. So if I collect this once, if I collect this here once, I get 6 seagrass. If I collect this here once, I get 5 seagrass and 1 orange coral. And this value doesn't show the correct thing, but because right now it does that only, but it's because I haven't coded it. But yeah, we get the one orange coral. Okay, that orange coral disappeared. And if we get this, we can keep on farming and we get orange corals whenever we do get them. We have 3 orange corals. Great! The ores are kind of tiny and has the same particles, but not bad. Oh, I found it. It reminds me of Devil May Cry 5. I don't know that game. I haven't heard of it. Oh my god, I missed the token. I missed the token. No, I'm gonna drown. Also, right now, this value also doesn't reset when I die. So that's also something I want to fix. Alright, now let's start fixing more things. So I want to make it so when we go back to this thing, this exchanging area, about to make a fish game macro. Why do you, what? I think you're gonna drown of oxygen. I mean, you will make your macro go up, but it's not gonna be very efficient since later on, active play will be more rewarded than macro play. Chat, I'm gonna go play Pokemon Big Pawns and make my Garchomp a sweeper. Alright, have fun with that. So, if we go to store script, this basically when we hit that thing to store our items, we got collected seagrass. So basically we gotta change all of this. Oh my god, sorry for my cheeky loud chair. We gotta change all of this code to basically, did you quit BSS? Kinda, yeah. I mean, I'll come back to it if it updates, but only if it updates. Wait, I gotta get the module now. That is the item info module. Oh, I also need replicated storage. Alright, we have replicated storage. If I go to, now I need to go through all, wait. So when we do this collection, we wanna go through all the 4i info in pairs item info module do. We go through all those items. And then if the item has the value of seagrass worth, if item info dot item value dot wait, we should check for item value and backpack value. Yeah, we should check for item backpack value and item info dot item value. Then we want to okay, for now I'm just gonna make it work with seagrass. So if item info dot seagrass worth, then so this is for giving seagrass. So I can show an aura I made today. All right. Well, just I guess DM me the image on Discord. And now we gotta go through all of the we don't need this value anymore. We only need this seagrass value. And then okay, I'll mention these values from here. Wait, even though nah, never mind. Even though that might be a bit better. So basically we set the item value as the value you want to, even though no, that's gonna show the value, then yeah. That won't really work then, okay. Never mind. Item info, we want to go to, I need to get the values first. And they are here. Item value and then backpack value. No, but I don't need to check for item value. Oh my goodness, where I'm getting lost in this code here. So hello nothing, welcome to the stream. So if the player collects a, let's say an orange coral doesn't have an item value, so we just check for the backpack value, and then we want to check if it has seagrass worth, then we want to set the backpack value to 0. But before that, set seagrass dot value. How's the game going? It's going okay. Slow progress, but that's how game making is. Already on day 43 though. Seagrass dot value plus equals. We add the backpack value. Yeah, backpack value dot value. And then we times it by the item info dot seagrass worth. So we can try that out if it's gonna work. If we get our 3 golden scoops and then get a clownfish. Clownfish. Here it is. Clownfish kind of fast, 3.2. I can't send images on DMs. I'm gonna send it on your Discord server on general. You don't have image permissions on Discord instantly on my server, so can you enable the settings for images? Yeah, that's you need a good level for that. All right, let's see if it spawns a token, and then if we collect it. Right now we have 20 normal seagrass. But if we collect 27, wait, what? I didn't get a single one. Yeah, I got one coral now, right? Oh, I died. I lost everything. Wait, no, I didn't lose the coral. Okay, I didn't lose the coral because I haven't coded that in yet. But we'll do that next. But if I get some normal seagrass and some corals... let's say we have 12 normal seagrass and then 4 corals. If we convert this, we should in theory get 32 seagrass. That's exactly what we got, 32 seagrass. Great, that works. Oh, you send me a friend request? You should be able to just send me messages without sending me a friend request. What does coral do? It just gives you more seagrass. It's like every orange coral gives you 5 seagrass. Other colors might give more. So basically you're trading in the coral for seagrass when you turn it in here. So it basically, in your backpack, 10 coral and 10 seagrass take up the same amount of space. But when you turn orange coral into seagrass, it gives you way more. Even though it takes up the same amount of space in your backpack, if you know what I mean. If you add me, I can send it to Nugget if you want. Well, he should be able to just message me without needing to add me. No image perms, what is that? Okay, I'll add you, Mr. Cube. I don't mind, but yeah. Alright, now let me make it so whenever the player dies, they also lose everything in their backpack. So that should be over on... probably? I don't remember where did I put the oxygen? Yeah, oxygen's the death. Age restriction on Discord maybe? I don't know. Yeah, I'm not too fond with the Discord and how it works. On def, okay. Wait, what am I gonna... function module. Oh, it's function module. I have a whole function module. Right, okay, on def. So... yeah, we can remove this since this basically sets it by itself. But yeah, collected seagrass dot value. Instead of doing this, we once again need to get our require thing. We don't need oxygen then. Store script here. Item info module. And then we need replicated storage in here. So now if we go through every single item info, we can basically just kind of do the same code as in here a little bit. We don't need seagrass though. So we go through all of these, then if the item has a backpack value, then we just set the backpack value to 0. And that is basically it. That's it. Okay, we don't need collected seagrass then. We don't need oxygen then. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. That should reset all of the items in your backpack. I think, at least. Let's try that out. If, let's say now, let's just get a couple of seagrass. I can't be bothered getting a fish. So let's just lose auction. I mean, we can get a fish if we want, since we have 45 seconds to kill. Pufferfish, yay. Look, it's the pufferfish, guys. It's the pufferfish. I sent it to you, Nugget. I also got it from him. Black hole? Wait, is that what you made? I think I've seen it somewhere. I mean, yeah, that looks pretty flashy and colorful. Honestly. Oh, I'm about to drown. Alright. Let me actually get a couple coral if I can. Give me coral! Give me coral! Yeah, I lost everything. I have 1 coral. I had 10 seagrass. Yeah, I lost everything. Alright, that also works. Now we gotta make this value here update. Also, instead of saying seagrass, I'm gonna start saying inventory. So I need to change that. So change this. Inventory name text. No, just backpack name text. Backpack name text. And then backpack. Right, that should be a lot better. And now if we go to change GUI, where we change all of our GUI. Not sure if it's good to keep all the GUI things in one thing. I mean, it's kind of fine for me, just having one script always open. And then if we have collected seagrass.changed, instead of just doing collected seagrass.changed, we're gonna start needing to do all the other things .changed. Honestly, I'm gonna go get more water and I'll go to the bathroom. So I'll BRB and then we can do all the improvements and bug fixes. So yeah, I'll BRB. Alright guys, I'm back. What did I miss? Probably not too much. I made it as a mini Gargantua. Okay, looks like Gargantua from Soul RNG. Okay, that's probably where I've seen it before then. It looks very high quality though. Also a vid. Yeah, it looks very cool. I don't really know how you make this high quality stuff, since I've only worked with less quality, but it probably just takes a lot of practice. Which I don't really want to put in all my practice time into making better particles, since I'm not really going to be making many particles, but I will be making some at least. But yeah. Let's get going right back into coding. So now I gotta go ahead and make this update accordingly. So I just need to take this from here, get current storage. But yeah, I need to update it when everything updates though. It might just be better to keep make it into a run service, I feel like, since making all these dot changes will just be not that good. So do I have run service here? No, I do not. Run service equals game. Get service. Run service. And then run service dot render step to connect a function that will update this accordingly. Okay, let me also grab this function. I have a whole VFX pack in the back of the Aura. Okay. Now if I go ahead, I mean I can just put this above here since, yeah, okay. Now I need to paste this into here. I didn't copy it fully. Alright, and then we don't need to do any of these anymore. And I don't need collected seagrass equipped. Do I not need this anymore too? Yeah, don't need that. Right. Oh, I still need that for that. Oh no, I will change that. Okay, well, now instead of these values, I can just do player current storage, new size, player current storage. And that works pretty well, I think. So can delete this. And yeah, now it should work accordingly, I think. Let's have a look. So if I, let's say, get Katana. Yeah, I get 6 seagrass. But now if I also get, let's say, a fish, that's gonna spawn in some coral for me. That should also increase based on me collecting coral. It's a really slow fish. But it does the job to see how it works. Alright. Now spawn this. And if I collect it, I have in my backpack 18 of those and 3 of those. Great. It works, and if I go here, it just tweens it back down. Great. Okay, well, now I gotta make it so the ability only gets activated by the clownfish. Because right now, any kind of fish you have is gonna spawn that ability. And how would I be able to do that? I mean, of course I can just check if the fish is a clownfish. But do you support LGBTQ? Yeah. I don't see why I wouldn't. But yeah. I will, now I need to reopen all of my ability scripts where I had them open last time. I think it's in a fish module. Yeah, all of this is in a fish module. So I think I wanna make another module for all of the for all the abilities, just to not clutter this fish module. So I think I will do that. So let me go ahead and go to my, where are my models? Here. And I'll make a new module for fish abilities, right? Yeah. Fish abilities. New module script. Fish ability module. Fish ability module, alright, and I'll make, I don't know how to do this now, but let me also open up the fish info module. Oh, I have it already here. Great, alright, so here I have to somehow mention abilities. So I also first gotta transfer all of this ability thing. So where do we start the ability? This kind of does ability things. Spawn ability token. Yeah, all of this is ability stuff. Yeah, here starts all the abilities. So I think I will, instead of doing this, I need to require our newly made module, which is the fish inf, no, not fish info module, but fish ability module equals require register the module script the fish ability module. And then I think I will just mention like the name of the clownfish, and then I'll run the ability. I mean, all of this ability stuff is gonna be very complex. Like, knowing what kind of fish activates what ability and stuff. But I should be able to, like, just base it off of the index. Probably. Yeah. Honestly. I'll just do this then. I'll go here. And then I'll do this, and then the clownfish is the second one. So I'll do 2 equals a new table. Do I want it to equal a new table? Can I somehow make this activate code? I'm gonna look it up if I can activate code in a table. Yeah, I don't think that's possible. I think I have to do it in a different way then. Like, I can't write this code here. I think I have to make it a function then instead of doing table. And then just function fish ability module. And then can I do this? No, I don't think I can. I should be able to do this dot. I might just use the name to make it a bit clown. No, I can't put spaces in though. And I can't put numbers in as the first one. How do I identify this then? Since the ability module, since I can't do numbers, this is an illegal way to write code. .1, you cannot do that, and you cannot write something and put a space, since that will also start erroring. But my names are with spaces, and my indexes are a number. So that's not that great, because I can't do like this too. No, this just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. Can I run local? Can I do it like kind of like this? Clown fish ability. Can I run this maybe like that? Print A. Wait, that might actually work. So if in this fish module I call, instead of calling for, where is this? It should be somewhere in here again. Yeah, here. Instead of calling for this, if I just do fish ability module and then I do 2. No, that doesn't work. Incomplete statement, expected assignment or a function call. Oh, because you just can't do. Right. It's a bit tricky here. If I could only use numbers as a name. I cannot though, so Difficulties. I am running into difficulties. Is there any other way I would be able to do this? Like... Oh, I could actually. Yeah, maybe I just run a function. Wait, if I just do this, I don't need this then. If I do function fish ability module dot start ability, and then if I do fish ability module dot start ability, and then if I give over the name info, then I can. Okay, wait, where is this? Where do I have the fish info here that I could use? Fish info. If I just send in fish info as the thing, fish info, if I receive the fish info, and then if I do if fish info dot name equals clownfish, but isn't the name a bit different? Wait, am I storing the name? Wait, if I go to fish module, no, name does not exist. Type only exists. And I think the type is the index. So if fish type equals 2, then we run this. Do I also save what kind of fish slot? Yeah, I do save the fish slot, since I'm gonna need the fish slot for abilities to check later things. For now, I don't need it, but later on I will need. So yeah, that's good. So if the fish info dot type equals 2, that means it's the clownfish. Then we want to start running the clownfish ability. Local function clownfish ability. And then we go to the fish module, and then we do the clownfish ability. Now I need to find that again. Here, I think it is. Yeah, this. So it goes to. We can honestly copy all of these over to another script. Well, I shouldn't have taken away get top seagrass piece. Okay, I need to not copy all of it then. So, which one did I not want to get top seagrass piece, right? If I take this, then if I paste this here, we have a lot of errors. Yay. Should be able to just copy these though. Delete them from here. Oh, wow. Wait, never mind. That's the wrong thing here. This one. And over here, so a lot of things is broken. So we need to still get the token events, which we can easily get and transfer to here. And we still need the what? The player and replicated storage and run service. All of these things. We probably don't need run service here anymore. Yep, alright, great. And now I think that's pretty much the ability. And now we gotta make, instead of running the function which used to be spawn ability token, we gotta make this. No, even though I have to change this whole thing. So here we receive the fish info character player. All right, we also want to receive the player character here. Should not be a problem though. All right, and then the clownfish ability just basically spawns a simple token. All right, clownfish ability, and then we can run this ability if the type is number 2. And then that should basically do the trick. At least for now, we have cleared up a bit of this. It's still gonna need to be way better if we start adding more abilities. But for now, I think it's pretty okay. So let's see if the ability still works. We haven't changed anything, have we? No, we have only made it so the clownfish only can do the ability. So if we get the clownfish, and it should be able to spawn the ability, but then we'll later on we'll try to see other fish. All right. We that's 1, and now it should spawn the ability. Yes, it did. And then this is here. And then if we delete this, and then we get another fish, which is not the clownfish. And if we get the angelfish, for example, and now angelfish, if it collects twice, it should not spawn the ability. That's 1. Oh, I died. And then, yeah. Okay. I got unlucky with losing out on oxygen, so now we have to wait for the angelfish to go over there and go here. Right. 1 and 2. Great, it didn't spawn any kind of ability. Great, we got it. Only working for clownfish. So now only the clownfish does the ability. And now we still have a lot more time to work on stuff today. So I think I'm gonna change out the ability token now to look a bit better. Since it's not the best right now, I'd say. We can bring up the model right now. Fish tokens. So this is it here. Now I want to transform this into a bit of like a bubble. If you kind of know what I mean. Oh my god, my eyes already. It's only been like 2 hours. All right. And then let me go ahead. Let me just ungroup this. And then we can make it into a bubble. So I want it to be just a tiny bit bigger. Honestly, this could be the sides. Transparency we also need. I'll try to make a bubble if I can. Alright, this is a terrible start. Honestly, let me go do this. And that should make it symmetrical on all 4 sides. This might even be a bit too big. This will be just like kind of like a hitbox a little bit. It will mostly cover this whole thing and just be the middle point. You can also make this move out the way for now. Alright, and let me delete these. Let me try to make it into a bubble actually now. Oh, let me set it back to 2.5. 2.5. Okay, hopefully it turns out okay. But we can take our time with this. We don't need to rush it at all. And let me position this here. Right now it looks okay. Maybe I'm getting the size a bit off. But we'll see when we get the main bit done. Yeah. Now let me do this. Probably good place to end it. Like here. The bubble. I don't like that. I'm just gonna do this. Oh my god, I selected everything. Also, tomorrow is already Friday. That's exciting. Honestly, this week went by pretty quick. Yeah, there's only 1 day of school left. The bubble might be a bit too tall. I might have to compare it to an avatar to see. Alright, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think I might make it 1 shorter. Looks a bit like a ball, but that's what bubbles are though. Oh no, the other one looked better. Okay, I'm making it taller again. Okay. Is this a good bubble then? Probably. I also want to put the, where do we have seagrass? The orange coral itself. So how big do we want one? We probably want a level 3. Like, if we put this in here, maybe even a level 2 would do. Or maybe we just get, I wasn't paying attention, so I don't know what it is for. It's the thing you pick up. I'm remaking the token that, you know, pick up and activates the ability. I might try doing 5 and just scaling it down. That might look semi-okay, maybe. Oh, no, not like that. How do I scale both sides at once? Is that not possible? Let me make it into a model and then scale it. Wait. Yeah, then it scales as 1. Yo, I just subbed. I hope you make it far on YouTube. Thank you. I appreciate the subscriber. Thank you very much. Let me try positioning it in the middle at least. Oh my god. It doesn't want to be in the middle. Oh, is that the middle? What even is the middle? Okay, that's not the middle. No. Is that the middle? That looks like the middle. Okay, does this look good? I mean, it goes up to the top. It kind of goes into the top too. I mean, you can kind of see that's an orange coral inside. Yo, I'm here. I'm back with a sick cut. Alright, Baj. Looks about like in the middle. Just copy the part C-frame into that thing. Oh, yeah. But let me do that. Let me do that, yeah. And then move it up. Yeah, that's fine. I think so. Yeah, okay. That's pretty great. Is that bubble too big? Let me actually try using it. Okay, let me also put this in the middle here. Middle, let me align it well with the whole model. Okay, I don't like how this isn't aligning well. I might just do this and then let me get this part and ungroup. Let me, oh wait, I shouldn't have ungrouped it because it's gonna be easier to set the C-frame. Take this and then position here. Yeah, that's great. Now I can ungroup this and group everything as a model. Now, set the primary part to the middle. And how do I have this named? I literally don't remember anymore. Let me look in here. No, it's gonna be on the client since it's client side rendered. So, client side fish stuff. In here, spawn token, clownfish token, it's called. Token. It's not really a token anymore, it's more like a bubble, so I'll probably end up renaming everything. Shouldn't be too difficult though, since it's very minimal. Alright, now let's test it and see how it looks compared to the player. So let me grab a clownfish. We got lucky. Clownfish first try. Alright, now we need to wait for it to spawn the bubble. Very slow clownfish. What the worst speed it can have, literally. The speed can be from 2 to 4. Literally got the worst speed. Okay, that's one collection, and then now it's gonna spawn it. I mean, I guess the size is okay. Maybe a bit higher up I would want it, and then of course we can make it float up and down. Oh, it disappeared. I didn't collect it in time. Let's wait for it to spawn again. And then if we collect it, these become coral. Orange coral. That's a great first ability, I would say. Yeah, of course we also need to lower the spawn rate of those fish. But yeah, that pretty much works. Let me just align it a bit higher up. Instead of 2, I might just do 2.3 height. Or like even 2.2 would be enough. Here, 2.3. Later on we can check it. I can also make it flow up and down. I'm probably not gonna do that right now though. Even though I could, and it's not that difficult. Okay, I guess I'll just do it since it's very simple. I should be able to just here. Do I have run service? No, I don't have it here, so let me mention them. Okay. Run service renders render step connect function. And then okay, how do I want to make this work? Probably just like tweens up, tweens down. Probably just a simple tween. I mean, in BGI, it doesn't use tweening to tween the bees up and down. It like uses another thing. Wait, what are you connecting to intercept? A function to I don't know. I think I was gonna do like how it does in BGI, how it tweens the things up and down, you know. But usually that is kind of inconsistent, and I kind of want to have the bubbles be consistent. So that probably doesn't work. Like, I want to just tween it up and down. What's like the best way to like tween up and down? Is it using a while loop? I don't think so, no. I think I should just use render step, no? Like just to tween something up and down. Yeah, I can do that where I create this while new token do we tween it up and down. Yeah. So I guess I don't need this then. So while the new token is here, then we can go ahead and tween it up and tween it down. So I already have tween service, so great. New tween service, great. Then we want to tween the new token. And then we want to tween it like 2 seconds, sure. I don't know what easing style we should use. Definitely not linear, I think, for the bubble tweening. I don't really know this linear style, the easing styles. I'll look them up. Roblox Studio easing styles. I want like one. Cubic might be good. Honestly, cubic, maybe. I'll try cubic. And then position equals, it will make the thing possible in a single tween. What do you mean it will make the thing possible in a single tween? What will make the thing possible in a single tween? What do you mean? Did my message not send? I don't know. I only saw you said, wait, what are you connecting to RS? It will make the thing possible in a single tween. Holy hell, it didn't send. Oh. Yeah, I feel like it was kind of out of context. Bro, why is the Papa YouTube? What the heck? I don't know. But I feel like this should work pretty well, because while the new token is alive, while it's still there, it just tweens up and down. That should be pretty simple enough. Why is the new tween not a thing? What? Check Discord. Okay. You can really just use tween info's repeat count and reverse properties to make it infinite. Huh? What is that? Okay. Number of times the tween should repeat. -1 repeats indefinitely. Oh. But how do I tween it up and down? Wait. Oh. But if I just play it, it's gonna keep playing up, 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 up. I need to make it go up, down, up, down, up. So that would be 2 tweens in total. But I can't repeat 2 tweens, can I? Bosh, that wouldn't really work for going up and down, unless there's like a thing that makes it go up and down. Is there like an easing style that makes it go up and down? No, I don't think. Yeah, there doesn't seem to be an easing style that makes it go full and back that I could just repeat. The reverse property, where the tween should reverse. Oh, Whenever the tween should reverse to the starting values once it reaches its targets. Yeah, but that will just do... It goes up and then it... Wait, does it do that then too? Wait, I need to test that out. I've never really tested that out. I wasn't here. Well, now you're here. Well, hello. What changed? I changed the model for some stuff. Easing direction. Okay, what do I set as the easing direction? Which the tween executes. Out, I guess. Enum dot easing style dot... No, not easing style. Easing direction dot... Oh, there's in out. The easing style is applied forward for the first half and in reverse for the second half. Wait, I should be able to just use reverse though, no? Like you said, repeat count, repeat count -1 for to do infinitely. Infinitely, and then we have reverse. True? Delay time? No, we don't need delay time anymore. True, and then we gotta do position. Token info. No, new token. Dot position plus vector3 dot new 0. Make it tween like 1. That should work, maybe. I should have like a faster way to test the stuff, since I need to go get a tool. I need to go claim a nest, get a fish, make sure it's a clownfish. Get the clownfish, put the clownfish in my nest, have the clownfish go up to the seagrass, collect twice, and then I can test the ability. That's like a lot of steps to just test one ability. I can probably just do spawn ability thing with some fake. Oh, position is not a oh my god, yes, of course I did that. Of course I tried to set the position of a never mind. Now I need to do everything again that I just said. Isn't that fun? Give me a clownfish. Here it is. The clownfish. Alright, we get the clownfish. Now we wait. Hopefully it works and it tweens correctly. And that's 1. And that's 2. What now? Tween cells create no priority name position for object clownfish token. Oh wow. Okay, I also forgot to do the primary part. Wait, no. Because then I need to pivot it too. Wait, what? Isn't this just gonna tween the primary part? Since it does that. Let me try it out. Oh my god, my squeaky chair. One day I will get a new chair. One day. Oh, I forgot to claim a nest. Oh my god, click the button. Get the clownfish. Clownfish. And I of course got one of the slowest clownfish I could get. Wow. And of course chose the furthest direction. Let me get more oxygen. Don't want to drown over here. Yeah. This is exactly what I thought would happen. The part itself is tweening, but the model isn't. The hitbox part is tweening, but not the itself. What? How do I tween a model then? Do I need to? Oh, I probably need to just set a lot of welds. Wow. Okay, I guess I'll set welds. Hold on, I'm typing a rant out in Discord. Okay. Okay. I guess I'll just use welds for part in pairs. New token. Do if part is a base part, then part dot anchored equals false, and then local new weld equals instance dot new. I like weld constraints. Then new weld dot parent equals part. New weld dot part 0 equals new token. No. New token dot primary part. New weld dot part. Check Discord 1 second. Part 1 equals part. Like, if you want, instead of tweening the model position itself, you can create a C-frame value and put the C-frame value in a tween. Then you can connect your pivot to the dot changed even of C-frame value, thus pivoting the model. Wait, thus pivoting the model every change of the C-frame. It's performance friendly as far as I'm concerned. Ooh. Okay. I'll try that out, local. But, doesn't that require a while loop, Baj? I need to do while the new token while the new token is here, then we need to set its position to the to the C-frame, you know. No, it doesn't. Oh wait, you said dot changed. Oh, you said dot changed, sorry. Yeah, I missed that. And then fires every change of the frame, its C-frame, and it changes between. Okay. Local new position equals instance dot new position. Oh wait, can I just do vector 3? Vector 3 value. Because I don't need to tween the C-frame fully. I guess I don't need this, but I'll still keep it. I'll toggle comment. New position dot changed. Connect function. And then we gotta do new position dot value equals you need C-frame for the pivot to right. I can just use move to then. Move to new position dot value. Move to 2. New position dot value equals this. And then we want to put the position as this. And then, yeah, here instead of tweening that, we can tween this and then change this to value. And then we want to set it to new position dot value +1. All right, hopefully it works. High hopes on this one. Discord, okay, 1 second. Let me get my clownfish. Oh my god, I'm getting so unlucky. There's a clownfish. Clownfish is so fast. Finally, a fast clownfish. Okay, you need C-frame for the pivot to if there are any obstructions where the model needs to be moved, such as terrain, as the model will be moved vertically upward until there is nothing in the way if this procedure is not desired. Oh. Oh yeah, but it works. My god, thank you, Baj. Like, that looks kind of weird, so I'm not gonna use cubic. Okay, I'll use a C-frame value then. Does this work? Yeah, I think so. And then we need to change this to from cubic. What kind of easing style is good? Linear moves at a constant sine speed is determined by a sine wave for a gentle easing motion. Maybe sine would work. Back, slightly overshoots the target. No. Quad, similar to Sign with a slightly sharper curve. No, I think I want Sign. Let's try Sign. Alright, let's see how it works now. Give me a clownfish. Oh my god, 3 clownfish at once. That's lucky. 2.5 speed, bro. I've not gotten like a 4 speed clownfish. Also use in out direction so it looks better. Oh, okay. I guess I'll change that now to in out direction. Also, my apostrophes broke for some reason, lol. Wow. Okay. A really fast clownfish, actually. 3.1 speed. Okay, that's not that good, but it's better than a 2 speed. That's 1 collection. Right, now let's see how it's gonna look. Broke. Able to assign property value according to expected God vector 3. Oh, I messed something up. I messed something on line 56. Oh yeah, I need to do C-frame. Dot. C-frame, yeah. But no, it doesn't have C-frame, so I just gotta do position. I gotta do C-frame dot new to create a new C-frame. Okay. Oh, I see a clownfish. Oh my god, give me the clownfish. 2.5 speed, bro. That's a very slow one. Why are slow ones way more common than fast ones? Makes sense though. And it spawned it. Honestly, that looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. And now if I collect it, yeah, I'm definitely gonna make some kind of like popping animation, particles, you know, but that's for future me to figure out, honestly. I'm very happy with this model though. Yeah, honestly, been streaming for 2 hours and 20 minutes. Might just end it for today since we did do a lot. There's still a bunch more things I kind of want to do with this ability. Like, wait, what kind of things do I still need to do with this ability? I have the coral kind of done. Like, you can collect coral and it sells for more. Yeah, I need to do more backpack things. Like, I want to show the current value of your backpack. So like, let's say you have 5 seagrass and 5 coral, then your full backpack value would be 30 seagrass, you know, since the 5 coral turns into 25. That's something I wanna add. Well, we can probably quickly do that next stream. Oh, also description for inventory items. Yeah, so just basically inventory things are kind of left. And that'll be we probably have the clownfish ability done right now, I think. Yeah, I do really need ideas for my mission for the day is completed. Yeah, thank you for the help, Baj. Honestly, would have done it way worse, the animation, if not for you. I might end up giving you some credits in the game, Baj, at least. Since the amount you're helping me with this game is a ton, honestly. Oh my god, my mic. Without you, this game would be a lot less quality as of right now. And yeah, that definitely just saves more time to have you helping. But yeah, basically just more inventory stuff left for me to do. Oh yeah, fish index. I want to start showing abilities, and I want to show that, like, I want to also make different levels of abilities, you know. So let's say a level 1 ability would be the one we have made, and then a level 2 that is like way rarer to get would basically be just a bit better. So for those like try-hard players that want the best fish, and that would still make the older fish better to like keep getting and looking which one you got. So that's probably something we'll be working on next stream. But yeah, I think that'll be it for today. So yeah, next stream is gonna be Sunday for Fish Game. At least I hope. I don't want to make promises, but that's my plan at least. Sunday next Fish Game stream, since I like to take Fridays off. I'm kind of tired on Fridays. And then Saturday we'll be doing FNAF stream, finishing off FNAF VR finally. And then Sunday we can do Fish Game, and then there's another week again. But yeah, thank you everyone that watched, and I'll get going now. Bye!